Okay, now when you want to make a flash bootable, you're supposed to have your at least a 4 gigabyte flash that has a capacity of at least 4 GB. Then you have what we call Rufus. I have it already here in my computer. Install it, and you must have also a Windows image, or what we call an ISO image. So once you have put your flash, which is this one, okay, once you have put your flash, open Rufus. You can run it as an administrator, and you say yes. Okay, Rufus will exactly detect the device or the flash that you have inserted in the computer, and this one, I think it's this one, 16 GB. Then here you have to select, under the boot selection, select your ISO file, which I have it here as Windows 10 low. Select it and click OK. After, look for your computer type. When it's a GPT, select GPT, or select MBR. Mine, what I want to install, it is an MBR, so I have to select MBR, which the target system will be the BIOS or the UEFI. Okay, then I say start. Remember, all the data on the flash will be erased. So here when I say exactly OK, all the data will be erased, and I will make my flash bootable. After the flash will be ready for installation. Okay, so we are going to wait for a little bit so that it can boot this flash and can use it to install Windows to our computer. Thank you.